I've been asked by a few people in my group to show you how to do a piggyback hinge system for binding. So I'm going to start off with this isn't going into actual journal, it's just for demonstration purposes. So I've done different coloured cards so that you can see how I'm doing it. So which one should I use? I'll use the yellow first. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to measure your spine of your journal. So if this one is 9 centimeters, so I'm going to take that down by a centimeter, so it's half a centimeter on each side. But this little portable ruler I've got only goes to 7, so that I'll pretend that it's 8 and go to 7. So my first piece is going to be 7 centimeters. My next piece is going to be, now you could do 6.5 or you could do 6, depending on how many pages you want to put in. I'll do 6 just for this demonstration. And like I say, I'm alternating the colours so that it's easy to see on the camera. And then this one I'll do 5. Now if I was going to do a normal journal, I would do go down by half a centimetre each time. So that'll be enough for this demonstration. And then what I'll do is I will score a centimetre on each side. Ooh, get into the camera there, and then we'll do the same the next one. So a centimetre down that side, a centimetre down that side, and then again, like I say, you keep going down. I think the smallest you can go down to, or I go down to, is about a 3 centimetre wide piece, because then it'll be a centimetre on this side, a centimetre on that side, and a centimetre in the middle. Put that over there. So that's that one. That's that one. And that's that one. Right, then what we're going to do is get some glue. I really like this method because your pages sit lovely and flat when they're done. And I'll show you, what's the word I'm looking for? I'll show you, I don't know, I'll do here's one I did earlier. There we go. So there we have our 3 pieces. So then we will, this will work for any size journal as well. So that one fits on there, so we'll do that. So we'll run some glue down that hinge, slide our piece of paper onto it, fold it both ways just so we've got really good stick on it. I'm not using the best glue here. Told you I'm not using the best glue, so I'll change my glue. That glue there is Collal glue and I just can't get to grips with it myself. this glue is art glitter glue, and it's much better. There we go. And then we chop a bit of that off so you can see. Doesn't have to be the same size because it's only for... So we'll do that again. Obviously I haven't cut these pages the same size, you can see the one's bigger, but it's just for demonstration. So there we go, and you just keep building up like that, and you can see how lovely and flat they lay. This gets glued onto your spine. Let me find a spine. So this would be my spine for this one, and so that gets glued on. It would be that big if I was going to do it properly. Now, if you want to put more pages in than you've got hinges, a really simple method I do is your normal A4, which you would fold in half to do your journal pages, and then you would normally sew in there. What you can do is you can pop some glue on there. This glue is going to work because for some reason, as soon as I turn the camera on, everything decides to stop working. There we go. And let's pop that one on there. So you're lining it up with your scoring line. Let's check it's done on that side as well. Give it a... And there we go. You've got two then on that one. But you can't tell that it's a double one once they're all in. So yeah, that's a super easy way of doing a journal with that method. Now I will show you, I have done it in this one. Right, just need to pick the biggest journal I've done it in. So this one isn't opening as well because it's got an awful lot of stuff in. So as we can see here, and some of them just to if the pages are different to the bits I've done in, sometimes I've covered them, sometimes I haven't. It really all depends on what look you want. I try to stick with something that is neutral for the hinge. Again, you could cover this with a bit of binding or rickrack, or leave it, because I think it quite adds a nice dimension to the journal. Let me see if I can find them. I won't find any double ones in this one because I've used A4 pieces. This is an A4 sized. Let me get my other one to show you that one. Where is it? Where is it? There it is. This was the first one I did use in this method, so I did it all different colours so I could see what I was doing. So there we've got our first hinge, and there we've got our double piece stuck to it. Again, double pieces. Most of these ones are double pieces because I wanted a thicker journal. But the pages just sit, I prefer this method. The pages sit so lovely and flat. So that's it. If you have any questions, You can leave them below, or you can pop them into my Facebook group, which is Journals to Inspire. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial, and I will see you soon.